Well, a lawyer scheduled for trial tomorrow filed a motion to skip court to head to today's Rose Bowl game in California. News Channel 6's Renetta DeBose joins us with the story all played out in court documents. Renetta.
Arguably the biggest University of Georgia fan just might be the alumni who took his plans to follow the team to the Rose Bowl game all the way to court.
He said, I'm pulling the trigger. We're going to the Rose Bowl.
Those are the words any University of Georgia fan would want to hear. So when Patrick Connell's older brother Matt shared the news that they would be heading to Pasadena, California, he was all for it.
You can't imagine how exciting that was. It's going to be a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
But there was just one problem. The day after UGA's game against the Oklahoma Sooners, Connell, an attorney in Savannah, was scheduled to be in court for trial. But he didn't let that stop him from a chance to witness the 2017 SEC champs from playing in the 104th Rose Bowl game, something that only happened one other time in 1943.
I've got to file this emergency motion to make sure that we can try to get this thing off the trial calendar. And I sat down at the keyboard and started banging it out.
Connell filed this emergency motion for continuance of trial calendar 2 days after his big brother scored the tickets. Although an official court document, it's tongue-in-cheek, filled with reasons why the judge should push the date back so he can return home the next day instead of appearing in court.
It was a bit of a risk in there. I thought he might. And, you know, Savannah is a very congenial bench and bar. People are generally, if you can inject a little bit of levity in the situation when it's appropriate, it's generally well received.
Connell made statements such as the 2018 Rose Bowl will be a momentous occasion for the Dogs, and many players who will almost certainly become legends in their own right. And Chatham County Superior Court Chief Judge Michael Karp's response, even more enlightening, with an order detailing how the court is well aware of the Rose Bowl game and its importance to the UGA faithful.
Judge Karp is a great judge, and also he was a UGA loggerhead, so I guess that accrued a little bit in my favor as well.
Now, the judge granted the motion for continuance, as you can see, by Connell's travel to Pasadena, but it was on 2 conditions. He had to notify the defendant by last Friday, and if UGA does not win today, he has to show up in court tomorrow morning at 9, and he will be held in contempt for failing to secure a Bulldog victory with his presence. Dee?
I love both him and the judge. That's the way you do it. Sense of humor.